Today we are getting wild in the kitchen with Jim Kinberg, who's the culinary director of KARE Restaurants, and it is the holiday season. Happy holidays to you.
To you as well.
Thank you. And many of us are entertaining this time of
Correct.
year. So we have a fun little appetizer that we're doing with prairie chicken.
We are. Prairie chicken, you can use goose, duck, whatever wild game you have sitting around, defrost it, and then cut it into little cubes. And we're going to marinate that in a little bit of teriyaki sauce. And then the fun thing we're going to be doing with these, for the skewers, and here's the reference to Christmas, we're going to be taking these rosemary skewers, which have this nice stiff stalk on them, just kind of peel those away. And you have a little skewer just like that.
Look at that. So let's start putting the skewers together.
All right, we're going to start with a little bit of prairie chicken and do a little mushroom. And we've got some water chestnuts. We're going to wrap these in bacon.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Yes, everything tastes better with a little bacon on it.
That's right. Now this will help add a little fat to the pan as well, considering
Yep.
the chicken is so lean.
Definitely, so it'll help it kind of keep from sticking to the pan. So you have something that looks like that. So yeah, just kind of keep going until you run out of room.
That looks pretty already.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna brush just a little bit of olive oil on there, keep them from sticking. So we've got one of these nice indoor grill pan, I guess you could call it. Got it heated to probably about medium high.
Ooh, listen to that sizzle. So how long do you leave the skewers sitting before you start turning them?
About a minute or two. You want them to get a little bit of color. And the final step we're gonna do is just glaze them with a little more of that teriyaki sauce.
Okay.
That's gonna be the last step because there's a lot of sugar in the teriyaki sauce. You don't want it to burn up. All right, we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna go to the plate with them.
Well, thank you, Jim. This looks amazing. And happy holidays to you and yours. And if you're doing some entertaining this season, I would suggest trying the Christmas skewers.